Hey there, this is Mao from Dokploy, and today's video I want to showcase how easy it is to install Dokploy in a VPS. So let's get started. In order to install this software, you need to have two requirements. The first one is VPS, and the second one is domain name. For the VPS, you can use any VPS from any cloud provider, like from AWS, DigitalOcean, Linux, or even Hetzner. So in this case, I'm going to use Hetzner because it is really cheap and easy to use. So now you need to create a project. I already have created a project, so let's go to the servers option and then go to this button. And here we are going to choose the location of the server, which is use is, and also you have Ubuntu and Debian, which are the image that we are currently supporting. So you can choose Ubuntu, and also you can choose the shared VPS, and you can choose the cheapest option, which is this, and also make sure to select the public IPv4. And don't forget to add your SSH key in order to access to the server. And yeah, that's all for this. And let's create the server. So let's enter. So we just need to wait a few seconds in order to see the server is up. Okay, saying it's up, so I'm gonna log in as SSH root, and then paste into this. Show me some errors. Okay, there you go. The server is already up. So you just need to go to the website. You can click this command. Just copy and then paste into the terminal, and it is going to execute a couple commands. So let's just wait a few seconds. Okay, so the server, so the software is already installed on the server, so let's just wait a few seconds in order to make the server is up. So let's enter, and there you go. Now you just need to fill up these fields. I'm gonna put this random email. Okay, and there we go. Okay, so now we are going to set up the domain, which is well, in my case I'm going to use any domain, so you can use like whatever. So in this case I'm going to use Cloudflare as a DNS management, so you can use any DNS management, like whatever you want. So in this case I'm going to create a new record, and then make sure to select the record as a type A, and then the name of the record. So this will be as a new panel 1, for example. And then we just need to point to the server where Dokploy is located. So if you go to Dokploy and scroll down, you're going to see the IP of the server. So let's back to here and then paste it. Okay, and now you have the record created. So now copy this, and then you need to append the domain itself. So now, and there we go. So I'm going to write a random email for Let's Encrypt. So let's just save it, and then we need to wait a few seconds just to wait to try if it generate the SSL certificate. And there we go, it is already set up. So let's log in with the same credentials. Oops. Okay, I think I forgot it, the password. Yeah, totally. Yeah, I think I forgot it, the password, so I'm gonna change it. So there we go. Okay, and there we go. So now we're going to create an application. I'm going to upload a Next.js application. This is the repository. So now we need to create first a project. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to call, then go enter, and then you can create an application or database. So let's create a new application. It will be front end, and then enter. And then you have different providers of source or your code. So in this case, since this is a public repository, I'm going to choose for Git, but you can use Git, so you just need to configure. So I'm going to copy this link from GitHub and then paste it, and then choose the branch main, which is this, and then paste it. Just click on deploy, you're sure, yes, and then go to deployments tab. And here you're going to see all the deployment running. So let's just wait a few seconds in order to the project compiles and run. So yeah, let's just wait a few seconds. Okay, so the project is almost built. Let's just wait a few seconds. It's in the last step. Okay, and there you go. You're going to see the Docker is deployed. So now let's close this model, and then you can go to the to logs, and you're going to see your applications running. So now we can point this application to a domain. So let's back to Clover and then add a new record. I'm going to call Next.js. So the domain will be Next.js.dokploy.com. So I'm going to copy the URL of the IPv4 of the VPS. So let's just copy this and then click on save, and then go to here, the path, and the container port. Since the application is running on the port 3000, you can point to that. So let's make 3000, and certificate, make sure to select Let's Encrypt, and HTTPS, make sure to enable. And there we go. We just need to wait a few seconds in order to traffic generate the certificate. Okay, and there you go. You already have deployed your application, so you can see it. Yeah, you can see it is running your application and served into a specific domain, and then you can also monitoring the all the search of your application. You can see it. And yeah, that's all for this demo. If you have any questions regarding to the software, you can visit the GitHub, since GitHub is an open source project. Any feedback or will be appreciated. So yeah, that's all. I hope you like this software. Thank you.